Kyle Melving, good morning. Lambda, good morning. How we doing? Kyle, I'll see you in a few short hours. All right, let's see here. My OBS is all messed up. That's okay. I swear I wrote myself a note yesterday where we left off. There we go. I am excited. Very nice. Good today. Wrote my first functor, which I'm still proud of. Functor? I hardly know her. Yeah, functors are super cool. Functors, when mixed with first class modules, you can get some pretty powerful patterns. But when I was building my OCaml playlist, I built a functor for making like generic REST clients that had like pagination and retry logic built in. It was super cool. It's really messy code because I was just learning OCaml at the time, but still super cool. John, a functor is basically a module factory function. It's basically a function that accepts modules rather than values, and then the output is always another module. Yeah, like imagine in Gleam if I could just like write a function that took like this transport type or this transport module and then spit out a new one. And it can do something like, hey, the module I accept has to have this interface, basically. It's a way to have like, it's almost like doing traits in Rust. Kind of. When a module wants to use another module and a new module is born, it's the birds and the bees of OCaml. Okay, I had figured this out yesterday, but I've already forgotten. So this is a message creator. What are we listening to? Anyone have any music requests this morning? Otherwise, I'm just going to put on Ren. Listen through this album. It's pretty good. You need to select from the WebSocket server mailbox. This selector still confuses me. Okay. See if we can get this to work. So I think some Annamanguchi USA album. All right, we'll throw that on here once we get through some run. Let me pull that up so I don't forget. USA. Why is this only searching my library? You see this? This thing's just like glitching out right now. I think Apple Music's having problems. Rip. All right, so when we get a message from this mailbox, what is the type here? Of course, my hover docs don't work. A WebSocket message. And we need to translate that to... What did our loop do before? Yeah, what do I do with this? I pass that into the state. So really I want to select, this will be WebSocket server mailbox, and in here, this is going to be, let's just say, I think we get a message in that. And then in here, let's just say to do, and then we'll return nil. Yeah, that would give us an error. And then let's say we get another message type, and this will be WebSocket message of WebSocket message. Sick boy, bitten by a tick boy. How many mugs of coffee do you chug in the human engine daily? Typically 2. If I'm like really tired and I know that I either want to stay up late or I have like a lot to get done in the afternoon, I need energy, I'll do a third, but generally it's just 2. I've been watching some Primogen and Teach coding yesterday. How the fuck lip gloss renders symbols in this terminal? Tomorrow he will have 3 on stream. Yes, tomorrow will be a 3-day. And Mr. Kyle Melvin will be sitting right here on stream tomorrow. My LSP is so borked. All right, so this is gonna be a WebSocket message. So we just have to return WebSocket message. Do that. And then let's get rid of this. And then we come down to our handle message. And we need to handle a WebSocket message. Wow, Nana's up early. Nana's alive, everyone. There's been a lot of talk about LSPs and AI code on Twitter recently. Thoughts? What about LSPs in particular, Kyle? I think when we get a WebSocket message, we just do process dot send, and then we get a state, and that will be mailbox. Message, and then we just say this. We just forward it on. Yeah. We also have to handle broadcasting raw message, WebSocket message. And then we want to, after that, we need to get the dict. We have to go back and find our dict. We'll do something like state.subscriptions. Actually, no, we're gonna want to do, you can get rid of this. That's done. We can change this to handle WebSocket. Just that they're not super useful and create bad code. I know Spiro has some hot takes on LSPs. But I would never work without an LSP. I think LSPs are very different things than AI assistants. I mean, I stopped using Copilot. So here's where we need to do, we got to get our dict out. So here we'll say state.subscriptions, and we'll pipe that into dict dot, was it find key? I'm never going to remember this. Get. And here we want, I'm going to grab, what is it? It's payload. I don't remember. We'll have to look in a second. And that probably returns a result, no? Yeah, okay. I have an architecture dilemma. I have a website I'm trying to get data from, and the data there is in HTML, so I wrote two parsers because there are two tables I need to parse, and they're not the same. But what would be better, iterating over page, cropping data, and then sending it to parsers, or just making parsers actors and feed them the whole page and let them figure it out? How do your parsers work? I'd probably do the latter. That feels more OTPE to me. Okay, so we have a notification message. So we're gonna grab, I think, yeah, we can get that from the metadata. So let me see if I can get metadata from this. And this will be metadata dot subscription type. Get wrecked, spammer. Have you ever seen the, you've surely seen the classic Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow HTML regex. Not that I think you're using regexes, but yeah, this one. I would find an XML parser in Erlang. XML parser. Xmrl. I bet there's a Gleam package already. Yeah, you probably want an XML parser that's mature because that's going to be easiest to parse HTML. But architecturally, I like the latter option where you just like pass off to actors. My posture's good, Ethan. You cannot ban moderator. Lol. Find key. All right, this is get. And then that's going to be a result. Hmm. All right, chap. Gonna step away and let the dogs out. It's about that time. 7. Where we at? We're at 7:30. Yeah. I'll be right back. Hello, everyone. What up, Patrick? Thank you for the follow, Coding Pepe. We're listening to Ren. I don't know which song you did that on, but it's Ren, the Sick Boy album. Okay. So now we need to... Well, we gotta grab this and put this in, like all of these. Actually, we're gonna want to keep some of these because I don't feel like retyping this out, and we need a better API for it. Can you guys see my gray hairs on this camera? Dude, I just looked in the mirror in my entryway, and like, I have a striking amount of gray hairs. Hey bud, your chat broke via OBS. Oh, right. Because I got unauthenticated. Okay, I hate OBS. The kids these days say it slaps. Like my OBS, like I've never seen this. Like, why is this here? I don't get. How do I, how do I get rid of this? I don't want you. I hate OBS sometimes. It's such a pain in the ass. Like, where are my docs for Twitch? Is it stats? No. Composite blur is, I think I just had to drop a plugin in somewhere. Custom browser docs? Where the frack do I get my Twitch docs? Like, I don't even see my Twitch stuff here anywhere. Like, it's just, like, not available. I hate Finder. Finder is the worst UX of all time. Like, why can't I just want to go up to the parent fucking directory. I hate Finder. Yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna go without Twitch chat over here because I don't know how to fix it live. No idea. Right click on top folder icon. Right click on the top folder icon. Oh, okay. We're talking about Finder. Okay. Let me see if I can even get to OBS here. Okay. If we go to applications and then I go into... Where's OBS at? OBS. That's not what we wanted. I don't know. Fuck it. It's not even there. Whatever. I'm not gonna restart my stream just to get Twitch chat back. I did get a message when I opened OBS that it had problems connecting to Twitch, so that's probably the issue. I mean, should I try killing the stream and coming back? Because now I'm curious. Should I do it, chat? Should I kill it and come back? You guys are going to have to refresh if I do that. Or maybe I can do it fast enough that... We're going for it. YOLO. Refresh in like 30 seconds.